right, day number, oh, those are tight. Oh my God. Oh, gotta clean that off. Fun Unlimited, my buddy Ryan. It's gonna be a good day. So, day number, well, this will be day number 3 for us. Well, Jimmer and I, we got up here on Wednesday night late. A little later than I wanted to get up here, but whatever, it happens. I mean, yeah, no control over it. So yeah, day number 3, Tall Pines ATV Park, Andover, New York. One of my favorite places to go to. And we're gonna go out and hit the trail, have some fun, do what we do. There's a lot of stuff coming up. You got the bounty hole, you got the obstacle course, you got the drag races. The only thing that sucks, you gotta do 20 miles per hour on this road. Ugh. It's alright, whatever. At least we can use it. Gotta be careful. Save the throttle for the trail. Don't get in trouble. Gotta talk to myself the entire time. Oh, we're getting off right here, huh? Alright, sure. How's it going?
What's going on, buddy?
Oh, another day.
Yeah.
Having some fun? What'd you do to the windshield?
Oh, that's been like that. I was following Joe too close.
Whoopsie. Happens. It's alright.
You know, he bumps us up to 250 horsepower and tells me I can't keep up with him in the trails, but that's true.
Whatever. Keep up with them just
They're
fine.
all fucking tuning for their drag races. Yeah.
Hey, see what happens.
We're in the middle of the course. We probably ought to move because they're lining up right now.
Oh, are they? Alright. Well, I'll be back over. I'll come say hi. They're doing Joe's trying to get his machine ready for drag races.
Trying to get who?
Joe.
Trying to get people to drag race?
No, he's trying to get his machine ready.
Oh.
Tuning it.
What's he driving?
The X3.
The what?
The black X3 right there.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. I'll follow, you lead. These waders are getting hot though, I'm telling you what. Oh my God. Mud's going everywhere. My God. So yeah, drag races are going to be here, and I'm going to be here because I'm definitely ready to do some drag racing with the Scrammy. Throw the stock tires on her and let her eat. See what we can make happen. Never know. Could have a win. Not sure what we win, but something's better than nothing. Get on the trail, see what we can find, see who's out and about today. Have some fun, ride, video, you name it, we're doing it today. And the next couple days. Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, those are the main days of riding, drinking water, and taking video. The bounty hole is going to be, I think the bounty hole is on Sunday. I can't remember. Just double check on that. Get back to that in a second. Not a whole lot of mud, but enough to make it work. Enough to have some fun. That's all that matters. That's all that matters. Having fun. It's cool seeing the little riders out on the trail having fun. That's the future of our sport. I think more kids should get out riding, hunting, fishing. That's just my personal opinion. There's something about being a country kid, I don't know, something close to my heart. I love being outdoors, love fishing, love hunting, and I love riding. That's obvious. But yeah, love seeing the kids out riding. You know, that right there is a true showing of trail etiquette. You know, they know people are coming that are riding a little faster maybe, and they let you go by, and he's breaking, well, I won't say breaking his kid in right, but he's slowly working the riding in for his kid. That's the way to do it. You don't scare the kid. You just let them like get comfortable and have fun with it, because that's what it's all about. Having fun. I mean, if it wasn't for riding, I wouldn't be friends with these bunch of goonies, and I love them to death. So, hope you're enjoying the video. We'll get back to some more riding at Tall Pines. I'm getting thirsty. Dehydrated. Child abuse. Bring her back to life. Hey, Dave. Mine's staying cool, and I don't even have the red kit. What the fuck are you talking about? Oh my god.
Internal combustion engine.
Power to get.
Barely combustible.
Barely. You can't even get the word out. Jesus Christ. We're coming back to this. Hey, it started! Alright. Head back to camp quick and get Bubba's tires filled in and get back out and do some more riding. Good little jump right in here. See if we can hit this right. I love hitting jumps. Who doesn't love hitting jumps? So let's see, camp, yep, back that way. To the left, to the right. Keep stepping. Alright, so back to camp quick for a moment. Gotta do some brushing up. And I'm going to change out sunglasses because I really shouldn't re-wear my opens while riding. Because it's not a really good idea. Not even close. Like, nope. So, gas up, grab a drink, different glasses, get back on the trail.
What's going on? Nice to meet
Good
you,
to finally meet you.
What's
going on? How are you?
We just got back from a ride.
How was it?
Bumpy.
It's good?
Really bumpy. They put that new trail in way up around the back.
It's a new one, or?
Yeah, way past, what is that loop?
It's out Kendall's Loop.
Past Kendall's Loop.
So which way do you go to get to that one?
Last time we went to the racetrack gravel pet thing.
Yeah.
And we just kept taking rights.
So I'll have to go check it out.
It's gnarly because it's a new trail and it's all muddy and there's a huge hill halfway up it. And a lot of people are getting freaking stuck, and I was riding his machine. He was riding the other. Yeah.
No, hopefully not.
It's beautiful. You can finally put his grips on because they both came off today. So.
I have to glue mine. I've got a bunch more coming, but I got to glue them up. And
You want a graham cracker?
no, I'm good, thanks, buddy. I do like graham crackers, especially with a little butter on them.
Is anyone running the mud hole tomorrow?
Not from our group.
No, I don't think so.
I thought about it for like a few minutes, but then I'm like,
4,000. That's really not a whole lot for one of these.
I wouldn't do it with this one. I was gonna put these tires on the Sportsman and do it, but
Yeah.
because I was gonna drag race this today, and I was like, I don't feel like it.
Didn't do it.
No.
Was there a lot of people down there?
Yeah, right now because they're doing the final races right now for the side by side, so
Oh, okay.
should be.
Go ahead. The only reason why we like it up here because there's no one around here. We just kind of take over this little side and have our own path. Cross streets like doesn't have a snorkel.
It's coming.
Okay.
The exhaust, rad kit, exhaust, and snorkel kit's all coming.
It's new.
You've been riding here for a while, haven't you?
Yeah, it's 4th year.
Okay.
So,
Kendall, up here by
right over by the tower, the cell tower.
by the tower.
Yep. So should be good. But yeah, we'll come back through.
Yeah.
At least I will.
Thanks for stopping, man.
Yeah,
It's nice,
it's good. Yeah,
nice
seeing you.
meeting you finally. Like,
Good meeting you. You can use one hand. I don't care which one you use.
Graham crackers.
Works out.
I
But
got food.
yeah, we'll stop, Ed.
All right.
All right. Good seeing you. See you later.
So how do we get down to where hell?
This way. Go right straight down in there.
Then go into the woods?
Yep. They're gonna go a little faster than us, I would imagine, try to keep our group together. Not slow down too many people. Yeah. Kurt, see yours right there. Pink set. Put those on you later.
Yeah. Good luck with that.
Gotta love Underwear Hill. A lot of good things to see. Oh, there's the big red ones. Alright, stop at stop at Underwear Hill is over, and to the races we go. Right in the video, it's perfect time. Hold on, I'll do a still. Perfect. I'll freeze it and I'll send it to you.